I'm Tim Gleason. I've been a curriculum mentor with Science U for the past 2 years. This summer I got to see some kids do some really cool things. I think probably my favorite part had to be watching these kids who, some of them, for example, had never gotten to canoe before, and suddenly they were canoeing down a stream, or kids who had no idea where scientists actually worked, and suddenly they're in some of the highest level research labs in the country. There were kids in Mythbusters camp who had, all these beliefs that they had held their entire lives, which suddenly they got to bust some of these myths that they've always thought were true. And I thought that was the really cool part, is seeing all these opportunities that these kids had that are not particularly common. The kids got to learn all sorts of really cool things this summer, but I don't think something they realized was the fact that they also taught us an awful lot. They reminded us how to be curious, what it's like to be a kid and always be exploring, what it truly means to be a scientist. Things that some of us, I think, tend to forget. Once we get into science, we kind of get into our own little spot and we end up forgetting why it was that we started off in science in the first place. And seeing these kids was just really inspiring.